Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss Honeywell Thermostat fan won't turn off and the best method that actually works. Number 1. Check fan settings. Ensure the fan is set to auto instead of on. The on setting keeps the fan running continuously while auto runs it only when heating or cooling is active. Number 2. Inspect thermostat wiring. Verify that the wiring is correct, especially the G-fan wire. Incorrect wiring can cause the fan to run continuously. Number 3. Reset the thermostat. Perform a reset to clear any glitches. For most models, this involves removing the thermostat from its base and batteries if applicable, waiting 60 seconds, then reinstalling them. Number 4. Check furnace fan limit switch. If the fan continues to run, the issue might be with the furnace fan limit switch being stuck in the manual position. Inspect and reset it to auto if necessary. Thanks for watching.